feel her eyes touch, fires in your iris on divine stuff, making mad pictures in confinement, pinnacles align and force a rise.
On a poster in the ballroom, looking older, seeing my own tomb. Antisocial, like a statue, going postal, and I want to. You wanna feel there's something better, but you throw me off just like a sweater. Sometimes I feel alone. Sometimes I feel alone. Try to pivot to a new life, try to limit who I invite. Am I crazy? Am I dead wrong? Maybe lately I'm just headstrong. I give it away like Anthony Kiedis on his darkest day. I put it behind me, there was gotta be another way. I'm losing my mind, looking for signs of a better day. Maybe I just need a break. Ooh, I wanna feel there's something better, but you drift away just like the weather. Sometimes I feel alone. Sometimes I feel alone. I was waiting for closure.